Hey guys, so shoulder update today. We're actually in front of the hospital I was in for my accident. I was here for the first 3 months of my trauma. It's where I had all my surgeries, where my mom came and found me on my deathbed.
Tell Scarlett I do give it him. Pardon me.
But I'm back for an MRI on my shoulder, so I'll show you guys what an MRI looks like when we get inside. Okay guys, because I'm a vlogger, let's vlog. So I'm back in a wheelchair. So I was in this hospital 3 months out of the 9 months I was in the hospital. This is the original trauma hospital I was in. But today I'm just getting an MRI on my shoulder. They're seeing what they need to do for surgery, which I'm getting in the winter. But back in a wheelchair. I was in a wheelchair for 9 months from my accident, so I'm kind of having a few flashbacks. My hospital room was just above us.
Come and knock on our door. Come and knock on our door.
We stayed on my shoulder. I am getting surgery, but not until the end of the season, but they need to do this to see how messed up it is. It's pretty messed up. It still hurts pretty bad, but I have a little bit of my movement back, but yeah. About to go in for my MRI, so if you guys know what an MRI is, it's like a coffin thingy. That's the thing I just went in, so that you lay on the bed, and then you go in, completely in.
That's what she said.
So if you're claustrophobic, turn away, but yeah, that's what I just did. I did pretty well. I was just falling asleep, but make some pretty loud noises. They put headphones on, and it's yeah, it's very claustrophobic. That's why I call it a coffin, but got my MRI done, you guys. Okay guys, back to my locker. These pants are dope. That's my head. Okay guys, so this is kind of funny. So this is the physiotherapy level where I did the physiotherapy as an outpatient when I was done being in the hospital for 9 months. And right there is where you can see the stairs where I learned to use crutches and use stairs on crutches. So wild being here. And my mom used to, when I was in the hospital, my mom used to wheel me out here and go that way. And we'd do a lap for some fresh air. And my hospital room was up there. Oh, it's a Cielo. Sick. Nice. Wait, is that the GTS? I think it is. Or I can't tell. That is sick. Yes. Barracuda. Quick correction, you guys, this is actually a Charger RT, not a Barracuda, but it's still pretty sick. That is insane. Wow. No, it's not a Cuda, it's a Charger. Hey, bro. 600 LT.
Okay guys, we have the Mansory 458 Speciale.
Okay guys, just so you guys understand how special this Ferrari 458 Speciale Mansory really is, it's a true one of one, as the press car didn't even have the full kit when it was released, as this one does. So built by my buddy Alu63, this is a truly special 458 Speciale with the Mansory kit.
Just listen to that exhaust. We're gonna get it taken off. It's my buddy Rocky's. This thing is sick. Okay guys, 458 Speciale, one of one with the only Mansory kit. Dude, that. Dude, oh my god. Oh yes, sick. James! Hey! Oh, it's Ross! No way, dude. Okay, you guys. So, new day, first car. This stunning GT4RS.
I find this astonishing. You're amazing. This is astounding. Repeat.
But it's got the Weissach hood, I think it is, but this is perfect. And of course, the minivan gets in the way.
But I'm just gonna have to turn this opportunity down.
No, you're just going to have to turn this opportunity, yes.
Of wanting me to get some good shots of it, but I'm gonna do what I can to get some shots. Cayman 718 GT4RS. This has the GT 991.2 GT3 Club Sport engine in it. So this thing is a monster on track. So I'm gonna shoot it and do what I can. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep the comments positive, not political. And okay guys. Evo 9? 5? Evo 5? What the f? 9, right? That's an Evo 9. Right behind the BMW. 2 rally cars for your viewing pleasure. With the Singer headlights, dude, that looks so good. The Beamer looks sick, all dumb. This thing's pure race car. The 911. Oh, yes. Looks so good, buddy. Wow. Then the BMW right behind. Wow. So we're gonna hang out with him in Montreal, you guys. He's bringing a couple of cars for a surprise. Yo, that's a good one.
I gotta go for a walk, brother. And stay warm. I'll catch up with you.
So a really loud F12 is coming.
Oh my God.
Is he gonna spin out and crash? Oh, there's a cop right there. There's a cop. There's a loud F12. There's a cop.
Wait, what's gonna happen here? He's plotting. No.
Is he gonna get ripped? There's a Ruby Star Red GT4. Yeah, I knew it. There was a cop. That was the most anticlimactic.
posted. Oh, he got the Tesla. That's the one you want to get, bro. He's gonna go north. Sick. And I'm blocked by. Oh. Might as well go say hi to him on. This is the best car ever. No, or a Toyota Origin. Half the TikTok is, they don't know that. Oh, especially okay, guys, I'm on in the Carbon Series for GT. Oh, yeah. Oh. It's an S, so let's see if he does it again. It's a fake Ferrari edition, but excavator. Oh, I missed the revs. I suck. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, that's sick. Here comes Amon in the Ford GT. So, you know, you guys. Oh, it just went down. You'll see, I'm gonna keep it on so he does the race mode thing. And then he's gonna pop up. Watch it. Whoop. There you go. Race mode, or regular driving mode. Okay, bro. Have a good day, man. So sick. Now he's gonna pop down. Watch how fast it goes. Whoop. Now he's in race mode. Have a good night, man. Or a good day, I mean, I'm so tired. Sick. A12 coming back from Tim's with the homie Ethan. That's so good. It is a GTS. Oh, he's pulling in here. Revuelto. And some guy just walking in the middle of the room. Move, guy. That's sick. I haven't seen a green one yet. Looks good. Oh, dude. This move, guy. Nice.
Garage over there, rooftop. That generally, yeah.
Isn't it? That's a great looking car. .620R. You never see these on the street. Dude, Celine, bro. Yellow SF90. Yellow Mazda. This thing is so good. Nice. Ooh, with the red accents, that's a good spec.
Ow!
Another Celine.
What was the website, man?
Alright, thanks. That's sick. Oh my god, dude. That's Rentec, yeah?
No, he does like his own little carbon and stuff.
Oh, MC20 all day.
Yeah.
F1 Tech, for sure.
I like.
Vale, mariachi!